So in this Fiverr.com tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a payout method as a seller here on Fiverr. So first thing you have to do on Fiverr is actually switch from a buyer's account to a seller's account. So if you're on the buyer's page, which I am, press on your profile picture, go to where it says become a seller. Press on create profile and either create your profile. In this case, I already have one. So once you guys are on the seller's page right here, I want you guys to go to the top to where it says my business and then earnings. And then once you're here, you can go ahead, see a bunch of different options right here. And where it says add a payout method, because we want to go ahead and add a payout method to get paid. Go ahead and select that. 3 different offers for you guys right here. There's the Payoneer account, there's the bank transfer account, as well as a PayPal account. So for example, if you wanted to get paid through bank transfer, I could press this, select your currency. I'll just do Canadian dollars, then press continue. It's actually not going to go ahead and do this right here for me, but you guys get the point. Maybe if I go to Payoneer account, press continue, it'll allow you to do that. So I don't have any money right now, so it's not going to work for me, but there's a bunch of different payout methods right here that you can actually go ahead and select to get paid out as a seller on Fiverr. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to add a payout method as a seller on Fiverr.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.